Hello friends, welcome back. Now we are going to continue with product section. So we have add button and we have this model, but we don't have any form, and we also need a product table to store the table, to store the products. And we have already created few tables such as categories, brands, and users, right? So let me increase the size, then you can see it easily. Fine. So we have brands, categories, and users. Now I'm going to create a table called products, but in this video I'm going to use SQL query instead of user interface. The reason you will come to know soon. So let's create table products, and the first column will be product ID, PID, and size will be integer, type will be integer, and size will be 11, not null, and auto increment. Next we will have category ID. This is actually foreign key, so we have to specify foreign key, and size will be 11, not null. Then we need brand ID, integer. This is also foreign key, belongs to brands table, not null. And then we need product name, type will be worker, size will be 100 is enough, and not null. Then we can have product underscore price, and it can be double, not null. And then we can have product underscore stock, and type will be int, size could be anything, it doesn't matter, not null. And product stock, so we can have status, but before that we should have added date, type will be date, not null. And then status is also important, so status, product status, and type will be enumerated, and it can have two types of value, either 1 means it is available or 0 means it is not available, and not null. The next thing we can have, let me increase, the next thing we can have, we also required a primary key, so I'm going to create a primary key, and primary key will be our product ID. We also need a unique key, so unique key, and unique key will be product name, so we cannot enter twice the same product. Unique key, product name. And we also need foreign key, so foreign key will be CID, category ID, and references from categories table, right? So categories and CID. Next we can have foreign key, and this time brand ID is also a foreign key, right? And references will be brands, table will be BID, right? So this is our table structure. We have primary key, unique key, and foreign key. So now let's create it. Press go. So you can see the MySQL return an empty result set, and our query is executed successfully. And you can see that we have products table, you can see the structure, right? So this is our structure. So now we have successfully created a product table. We have everything whatever we want. Now I'm going to create a form, right? reset it. And so here we need a form, right? We don't have anything, so for that we need a form. Let me show you what kind of form I need. Just scroll and just get started and use the scroll, and let's look for the components. And here forms. Okay, I'm looking for a form where I can put two inputs in the same row, right? So this is two inputs in a two different row. This is the thing I want. So this is a one row, and we have two input within one row. We can have better things. This is a already created form, and I have made one form according to our requirements using this form, right? So you can take the code from here, like copy this and paste in your text editor. Now let's open your text editor, and you can see we have already opened product page inside template folder. So this is products, and remove these three dots, and I'm going to use a shortcut, paste, and so we have already a product form, right? We have an ID, product form, on submit return false, label date, type text. You can also give here date, but I want text because I want date from system instead of user, and with a restriction, right? So give a value equals to PHP and echo, say date, year, month, date, and give a restriction only. Save this, and we have product name, type text. We have name, product name as same as ID, placeholder, and HTML5 validation required. Same for category with select option. We have category and category. We don't require for, right? So remove this for, and class select ID, name, and required. Same for brand. So this is brand, and class is select brand, name is also select brand with HTML5 validation required. Then product price, type is text, ID is also same, and with HTML5 validation is also given in all the input fields. Quantity, and finally the button add product. Save this, and let's see the output. Refresh and just add. So you can see we have date, given date, and product name. Press the, so we have HTML5 validation also, and we don't have anything here because I want to take it from, I have given blank, I have not given option, I want it from JS file. So here is, so in product section, we in category, in products we have select cat, right? ID is select cat, and in main.js just copy this line and paste here, right here, select cat, and another variable create, copy, and right here choose, and value is blank. Say here choose category, and right here choose. Save this, and let's see the output. Refresh, add, and choose category. We have category. Similarly, we can have brand. So let's copy this, fetch category, and right here fetch brand, and change the name, change the here to, sorry, it is brand, and process get brand, value we don't require root, and choose brand, and remove the root, and it is select brand. Save this, and in process.php file, so we have you can see, to get category we have written this code. Copy this code. Now right here, fetch brand, and get category. Instead of get category, right here get brand. To set this if block true, and we have object of get all record, pass the brands table, name of brands, and here we will have brand ID, and here we can have a brand name according to the database table. Brand name. Save this, and now let's see the output. Refresh. Category. So we have choose brand and we have category. Now I'm going to take this data. So in PHP, in DB operation, I'm going to copy add brand function. Copy this and paste here, right here, add product, right? And we need parameters. So first parameter, we need category ID, $brand ID according to our table, and then we need product name, then we need product price, then quantity or stock, and then we need date, and then we need, okay, we don't need anything. So we have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 input, right? And rename it. And instead of rename it, just go and inventory and choose your products, and SQL option, insert, copy this SQL query, paste within this, remove this, and paste here, right? So what we can do here is take it down, values, take it also down, let's make it more, then it can be fit in one string, right? So here we don't require PID because it is auto implemented, and remove the, okay, remove PID and remove also the value 1, right? And then question mark for other fields. Okay, let's fine, and we have 3, 3, 6, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fine. Now the first thing we required integer, then a category ID, then brand ID also integer, then product name is string, then product price is double, and product stock is integer, and added date is a string, and status is also integer. So here category ID, then brand ID, then $name, product name, that is string, and again double, so price, and then $stock, product stock, okay, product stock, and we need that is integer, and then we need date, so $date, and then $status, that is 1 by default, right? You can see status 1. And let's execute the statement. Right here, brand added, product added, or you can also write here new product added, right? New product added. Let's save this, and in your process file just scroll and right here copy this add brand, create the object of add product, and set here added date, the input field from form, and set $_ post product _ name. So these are the two input fields I'm taking into consideration, and DB operation object is created. Now call the function add product. So, and the inputs are, copy this, copy in process.php, remove this, paste. So first we need a category ID, right? So $_ post, and we have select _ cat. Hope spelling is correct. Select cat. Then we have select brand. Then we have product name, so $_ post and product name. Then we have price, and then stock. Product is stock, and then date. Save this, and then finally we will echo the result and then exit. So let's check this is working or not. Reload it, add product, so we have to provide the input. Let's say Samsung Galaxy S8, choose category mobiles, and Samsung, price 20,000, quantity is 1,000. Now add product. Okay, we are getting nothing. Oh, sorry, in main.js we have to write a code for that, and so add product $hash product _ form .on, and finally submit function. Okay, copy this Ajax code, copy and paste here. Right here, product form, serialize, product added, and we can display the message anywhere. So for now I'm just using alert and data. So it is product added, then we will get the data, right? Message like product added. Otherwise we can get error also. And for now always use console.log in your else condition, because instead of alert, because you can get error whenever you'll get mistakes like syntax error, fatal error, uncalled member function call, these kinds of error. So you can get the message in console. Don't forget to put the console in your else part. Now let's refresh it. Add, let's see, choose category, and category is mobile phones, brand is Samsung, price is 70,000, quantity is 1,000. Add product. Finally we are getting error, undefined index, product is stock in line 65, process.php. Okay, I know this is problem is here. it is qty, name is qty, product qty, right? And in your qty, so change the process.php and say here qty, save this. Column product name cannot be null. Okay, product name, and db operation, it is proname. Save this, save all. Okay, now product stock cannot be null, it is stock only. Now it is stock only, so remove the product stock. Save this stock, and rest of the thing is same thing. Status and date. Save all. Add product. Finally, new product added. Oh, and in your browse you can see the product is added, and product ID is 1, category ID is 5, brand ID is 1, product name, price, stock, and added date is given also. Status is 1, right? Now in your main.js file, what you can do, you can embed the fields, or if you want to try to put the same product once again, let's say you'll get duplicate entry for Samsung Galaxy 8, right? You cannot put it twice because you have given the column name unique. So now hash product name dot val, that's simply hash product qty dot val empty $hash